the river of life I find my way, guided by stars shining in the dark of night. With every step I feel His embrace. Mercy flows like water, setting me free. Through the storms He holds me tight. In His grace I find my truest light. With each wave I see His face. Mercy floods my soul, making me whole. Oh Lord of mercy, hear my plea. In your grace I find my peace. Guide me through the darkest night. With your mercy I find